Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to deactivate Facebook account. So in order to deactivate a Facebook account, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to open the Facebook application. So here it is. So once you're logged in, this is how it's going to look. So now then, what next you want to do is on this field, click on the initials from the top right corner of your screen and go to the gear icon from the top of the page. So when you go to this settings and privacy section, you could find account center, and underneath click on see more in account center right over here. Then what next you want to do is on this field, you simply want to scroll down and go to personal details. So when you go to personal details, under it you could find account ownership and control. Click that out. Now then click on deactivate or deletion. You want to select the account that you want to deactivate. Click on the terms and conditions and continue. Next, you have to enter in the password associated with your Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Once done entering the following information, click the continue button. And for some reason, if you are unable to remember your password, you could tap on forgot password and then reset it as well. And this is basically how you'll be able to deactivate Facebook account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.